So, you're trying to decide between Higgsfield and Freepik. Let me guess what's going through your head. I only have the budget for one subscription. Which one is actually going to give me more value? That's the right question because both tools look impressive on their websites, but once you start using them, they're built for very different kinds of creators. Here's something I realized pretty quickly. Most people compare these tools by looking at feature lists. I don't think that's helpful. The better question is, which one removes the biggest headache from your workflow? Because that's what you're really paying for. If you're creating YouTube videos, ads, or social media content, and your biggest challenge is generating cinematic AI videos that grab attention, Higgsfield immediately starts making sense. The whole experience feels focused on turning an idea into a video with dynamic camera movement and visuals that look more polished than a basic AI clip. Now maybe you're thinking, okay, but I don't just make videos. That's where Freepik becomes really interesting. You're not only getting AI generated images and design tools, but also creative assets that can be useful across multiple projects. If your work includes presentations, thumbnails, social media graphics, marketing materials, or client projects, you'll probably use Freepik almost every day. Here's where I think people waste money. They buy Higgsfield expecting it to replace their entire creative toolkit, or they subscribe to Freepik hoping it'll become their complete AI video generator. Then they wonder why they're disappointed. The problem usually isn't the software, it's buying a tool for a job it wasn't designed to do. So if you ask me which one gives more value, my answer would be, it depends on where you spend most of your time. If your business is built around creating AI videos, I'd lean toward Higgsfield because that's where you'll see the biggest return. But if you're constantly designing graphics, creating thumbnails, editing marketing assets, and working across different types of content, Freepik delivers value in a lot more places than just video. Before you spend your money, ask yourself one simple question. What do I create more every week? Videos or creative assets? Your answer will probably tell you which subscription is worth paying for. Now I'm curious. If you had to keep only one subscription for the next year, would you choose Higgsfield or Freepik? And what's the biggest reason behind your decision? Let me know in the comments.